Okay, so yes, this is a guessing
I
game.
enjoy rolling in the mud and have a snout for sniffing. I can I can't climb or fly, but I am smarter than you, I think. I have four hooves and a curly tail. Piggy!
The piggy.
Pig!
Okay.
Oh,
Okay. It's a roly-poly pig. Next.
toot, toot. I have wings to help me fly. I am smart. I have a beak and I'm covered with feathers. My claws can be sharp. I repeat what people say. Parrot! Parrot!
Parrot. That's correct.
Oh, wow. Look at it. So cute.
Okay, that's a dancing parrot. Yes.
Yeah, it's a dancing parrot.
Next.
Three, three. I live in the water and I love to play and jump out. People love me and I'm very smart. I have flippers and my tail is blue. Dolphin?
That's correct. Okay.
Ooh, I think that's a dancing dolphin maybe too.
Okay. Next.
Floor, floor, floor. I live and breathe in water. I have gills and fins. My body's covered with scales in keeping it home. Fish.
It's a fish.
Mom.
Yes.
Duh. Bye bye. I eat grass and live in plants. I'm raised for meat and milk. I have white fur with big black spots. I have hooves and a tail. Hmm. How?
It's a cow. Such a beautiful
What?
hair.
Why does it have hair?
Yes, the cow is having such a beautiful hairstyle. Maybe we both can give a hairband to her and comb her hair. Okay.
Oh my god, why does the cow have hair?
Okay, next.
Six, six.
Okay.
I'm very big and strong. I have four legs and two big ears. I have a tusk and a tongue. I eat plants and live in the forest as elephant.
Elephant. Oh my God, what is this? Okay. Elephant is wearing sports shoes and running. Okay, sneakers and running. Next.
Seven, seven. I can swim in the sea or walk on the land. I cannot fly. I have small tail and four paws. I eat fish and I love honey. I have fur and claws. Which one is it?
Hmm.
Snake, sea snake.
No, it's not a snake.
Bear, please don't do oops. Please don't do oops. Please don't do oops.
It's the wrong answer. So Bear says we have to make it wrong. Okay, next one.
Eight, eight. I have strong hands and feet. I like to swim on trees and climb them. I have long and strong tail. I like bananas. Easy. Monkeys.
It's a monkey. Yes, it's a monkey. See how excited and crazy the monkey is because he's finally able to come out. Next.
Dancing monkey. Nine. He's a dancing monkey. Nine. I have big ears and soft fur. I'm strong and I like to chase. I love bunnies.
This animal,
Bunnies.
carrots,
Bunnies.
bunny or rabbits. That's correct. So cute.
We wish you could have a rabbit.
Yeah, you can have pets as like you can have rabbits as pets.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, next.
I just want a puppy and a pet. I mean, a
Okay.
pen.
Number 10. Oh, you lose 25 points. Next.
11. I have a mane, and I hunt other animals. I have fangs and a tail. I am dangerous and powerful. I have big paws and claws. Lion. That's weird. It's so weird. The lion is the king of the jungle and it eats the animals, even though it's the king of the jungle.
Yeah, he is. I have a mane. I hunt other animals. I have fangs and a tail. Next.
Pow. I look like a big lizard. I have scalps, sharp teeth. I can walk or swim. Birds like to play with my teeth. Hmm? Shark.
It's a crocodile.
Um, um, 13.
Next.
13. I'm large and spend most of my time in water. To stay cool, I have big mouth and thick skin. I cannot run fast, but I'm powerful. I eat most of the plants, and I am one of the biggest animals in Africa. Sea snakes, maybe?
What?
Sea snakes, maybe?
Snake? No.
Sea snake, sea snake.
The hippo.
Oh my god.
Yes.
What is he doing?
He's just roly-poly hippo. Rolling and pulling, yes, and swimming.
I think he's a dancing hippo, maybe.
Okay.
Oh, 14,
Win 50 points. Okay.
15. I like to swim, and that's why I am always by the water. I have a beak, but I do not have hands. I can fly. I like to climb. Duck. Oh my god, they're dancing ducks for sure.
Okay.
16,
Win 50 points now.
17. I live in Africa and I have very long neck and short ears. I eat grass and small plants. I have hoof and spotty body. I would say it's a giraffe.
It's the giraffe.
Oh my god, what is he doing? Is he winking or blinking or thinking or thinking?
He's winking. Okay, next.
18. I live in a very cold place. I like to swim and eat fish. I have a sharp beak and flippers. I'm very cute. What do you call that black thing in the sea?
What?
Dark, dark, dark blue thing.
It's a
Oh, that's what that was about. I forgot it. I just forgot for. I just got for. I just.
next.
19.
It's okay. It's okay. You have so many questions to score. Okay.
I'm known for my clever hands and a love for explore. At night, I have a mask-like pattern on my face and a bushy tail with rings. I can climb trees and enjoy eating almost everything. Oh my gosh, I don't know this one.
No,
I don't know this.
it's a raccoon.
Raccoon.
Hmm.
Oh, look how cute it is.
He's waiting for a hug. Okay. Raccoon is waiting.
Oh,
Hmm. Okay, next.
Why are you doing it wrong? I just said I did not know.
So that is also wrong. If you don't know,
Uh,
it's wrong. Okay,
wow.
next.
20.
Oh, you lose 20%. Next.
21.
It's okay. Next. Come on, be energetic.
Very big. I'm very big and dangerous. I'm orange and I have black stripes. I have whiskers and paws. Tiger. Oh, but no.
Okay. Okay.
Why is
Okay.
he saying okay and then making a hungry
Yeah,
face?
tiger is very big and dangerous. Next.
22. I hide inside my shell. People say I'm so. I have claws and small tail. Snail.
Which
Turtle.
turtle is slow? I don't think so. Which was that race? The race between the bunny and the
The
rabbit?
turtle. No, it was the bunny and the turtle.
Turtle was in the race. I don't think so. Turtle was in the race.
No, my race, my grandma.
Okay, but yes, turtle is.
Oh my gosh, what is it?
I
Oh,
thought it's a tortoise. Okay, not a turtle.
what is
They're just squeezing him. Okay, next. Which you should not
2020? 20,
not
why?
trouble any
Why?
animals. Not to
What?
trouble any animals. Not to trouble or irritate any animals. Okay, that's very bad. If they are not able to talk with us, so that doesn't mean that we trouble or irritate them. You lose 5 points. Okay, and see this animal is sitting and watching. Okay.
What? Deal with it.
Okay.
Deal with it.
See, you got
Deal with it.
95 and
Deal with
you
it.
are number
Deal
1.
with it. Deal with it. Deal with it. Deal with it.
Congratulations. Thank you.